Graph the inequality y is greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 4. When you graph an inequality, you start out by treating it like it's a regular old equation in the form y equals mx plus b, where m, the number in front of your x, is your slope, and b is your y-intercept, as long as y over here is all by itself. Y is all by itself, so we can label the slope negative 3. Now I'm going to call the slope negative 3 over 1 because slope is rise over run and it's better to view it that way. My y-intercept is 4. And so again, we start out by graphing this the same exact way that we would graph a normal equation. We start at the y-intercept, put a dot at 4 where the y-axis is, and then use our slope to put as many dots as we can. So this is a negative slope, which goes down and to the right or up and to the left. So I'd go up 3, left 1, up 3, well, I can't, left 1. So maybe I'll go down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, and make as many dots as I can. Now is where things change. So thing number one that we need to look at is the fact that we're given a greater than or equal to symbol. Okay, when you're given the or equal to symbol, that means that you're allowed to include the line. So if you're looking at these and if you're wondering, why is there 2 lines up there instead of 1, I am choosing the one that includes the line. So when it's or equal to, you draw out a solid line like so. Now, I'm not done yet. The other thing that we have to notice is that y is greater than or equal to 0, which means I'm going to do some shading. Okay, so the shading that I'm going to do, since this is a greater than or equal to symbol, is everything above the line, which is going to be here. Let me get a larger pen. Oh boy, this is going to take a very long time. Now, what this means is, since this is an inequality, okay, is I have an infinite amount of answers. In this shaded area, any point in this area is a possible solution. Any point in this area is a possible solution. For example, if I were to choose this point right here, 4, 4, that means if I were to plug in the point 4, 4, into x and y, I'm going to get a true statement. Since this is or equal to, I can also choose points on the line, like 0, 4. And if I choose 0, 4 and plug it into the original inequality, I'm going to get a true statement. In fact, I would get y is greater than or equal to 4, or 4 is greater than or equal to 4, which is a true statement. So when you graph an inequality, you are created a shaded region that says all of these points are possible answers to the original inequality right there.